Bohr Rutherford diagrams are used in chemistry to draw a 2D diagram of what an atom of an element may look like. In this example, let's see how we could draw chlorine's Bohr Rutherford diagram from just the information from a periodic table, which we will have to extract. An element has protons, neutrons, and electrons, and the protons and neutrons are located in the center, which is the nucleus. So let's start off by finding those. First, let's find how many protons there are. The amount of protons is equal to the atomic number, which as you could see is 17, meaning the amount of protons is 17. Let's write that down. Next, let's find out how many neutrons there are. The amount of neutrons is the atomic mass rounded, so there is no decimals, minus the atomic number, which will give us 35 minus 17, which is 18. So 18 neutrons. After this, we just put a circle around it, and that's all we need to do for the nucleus. The last step is to put the electrons in their place. The amount of electrons is also equal to the atomic number, but instead of going in the nucleus, they orbit the nucleus, and will be drawn on as dots. The electrons follow a 2-8-8 format, meaning the closest shell to the nucleus will have 2 electrons, the next shell will have 8, and the outermost will have 8. So let's put the electrons in their shells. Chlorine has 17 electrons, and because the first shell will only hold 2 electrons, we will put 2 dots, meaning we'll have 15 electrons left. The next shell holds 8 electrons, so we put 8 dots around this shell. This means that we only have 7 electrons left to place. The last shell holds 8 electrons, but we only have 7 electrons left, so we could space these electrons out evenly. This is all we need to make a Bohr Rutherford diagram. Now pause the video right now and try to make a Bohr Rutherford diagram of the element sulfur with the information provided. If this is how it looks, then congratulations, now you know how to make a Bohr Rutherford diagram.